Analyze balance sheet and cash flows as quickly and effectively as possible. Adjust easily analyzed period from couple of quarters to 17 years. Choose data format for analysis, from quarterly to annual. Select any items you want from balance sheet or any other table and see the numbers at the end of every period, ratio to total assets and growth compared to previous period. If you want to select several items from any table and see the total result, just press the Control button and select specific items. In this way you can construct any metric you want. For example, by selecting current and non-current borrowings you can get the total borrowing metric and analyze its dynamic. We provide also specific assets and liabilities data that is not available on other platforms. Here you can find and analyze breakdown of selected balance sheet items, assets and liabilities by segments, key operating indicators and maturity profile of liabilities, or in other words, liquidity risk. Go further and analyze company's cash flows from every possible angle. Choose operating cash flow metric and see cumulative flow over selected period, quarterly and trailing 12 months numbers and composition by specific items. You can decompose operating cash flow into two elements, working capital and funds from operations, and analyze them separately. Choose the working capital metric and see its impact on the operating cash flow. Or choose the funds from operations metric and analyze operating cash flow without the impact of the working capital. You can choose also other metrics, investing or financing cash flow, capital expenditures, free cash flow, and analyze their structure and dynamic. If that is not enough, you can analyze cash flows in details by selecting specific items or by constructing your custom metrics using multiple selection function. For example, choose the change in inventories item and see its impact on the cash flow. Or choose interest paid together with tax paid item to get the total and to see its impact. Use our analytical dashboards to dive into the data as deep as you wish. Invest intelligently. Ply.